Welcome back, everyone. It is Friday, December the 23rd, 2022. And Sean and I are on the last leg of our unboxing collab for the Cotton Cuts Holiday Your Way countdown box. I have had so much fun with you, Sean. Hey, Sean.
Hey, and welcome. Thank you. Sorry, I still have this cough. You know, it's like the cough that keeps on giving. Will I carry it into the 2023? Let me know in the comments.
I hope not. I hope you feel better soon and it just goes away. All right. So we've got day number 23 in the books. You ready to go ahead and open it up and see what's in here today?
What?
It's my turn, isn't it? Be the person you want to have in your life.
One's powerful.
I like that one. Ooh.
Green.
No. One more guess. I don't have any like it ever.
Yellow.
There's no colors that we've opened up.
Yellow.
None. No.
Black.
You ready? What'd you say?
Black, white, yellow, green, blue. Oh, black. Okay.
Black.
Oh, that's
and
neat.
It's gold.
Oh,
Black and gold. It's like little stems. Very pretty.
Yeah, that one's really neat.
What do y'all think about this one? Do y'all recognize this one? It's really pretty. I love that one. All right, so our question today for you is, do you have any last minute Christmas gifts that you're sewing or knitting or creating? Who is counting down the minutes, trying to make sure that they get their little projects done at the last minute just because of life happening? How about you, Sean? Do you have anything last minute that you're working on?
Well, there was something I was supposed to have gotten done last week that didn't get done, but I'm going to do that, you know, between now and the New Year. So I deliberately tried not to do anything for Christmas this year because I know with Vlogmas and doing the channel and everything else, I didn't need to put one more thing on my plate. So I tried very hard not to do it.
Right. I agree. The Vlogmas and it's been wonderful, but definitely it's a labor of love getting the videos out every day for everyone. It's a lot of fun, but it does take a lot of time. It's been a fun journey. It takes the time. What I want to do last minute is I still keep going back to my bag I made last Saturday with you. This little guy, this drawstring bag. I want to make one, maybe with some Christmas fabric, and put some of my daughter's gifts in here because she's going to get a couple of gift cards. So I thought that would be cute in a little Christmas bag.
Oh, for sure.
So that's a last minute project I want to put together because I'm still so excited about the bag.
Yeah, and I mean, and they go together so quickly too. I mean, you know, it took us a while on Saturday, but I think once you get, you know, everything down pat and you don't have to pull that jack, you know, you should be able to get it knocked out in about an hour. I mean, I do it in about 40-45 minutes most of the time, but I've done it, you know, so many times. So, but I think that would be a great little gift.
Yeah, I figured that would be nice, and then that way she can take it with her. She can use it at college because she's still in college. She's got a few more years left, but figured she might enjoy something like that. And if I have some of her college fabric left over, I might make it in that, or I might do, I don't know yet. I have to, that's my last minute project I need to work on.
Sounds good.
What you got?
All right, so I have my day 23, and any guesses on color?
Yellow.
Okay. I keep hoping for red, but I don't think that's going to be. Oh, well, apparently today black is the color of the day.
Look at there.
But it's very pretty.
That is.
It's going to look great in as a contrast color on one of the quilts with the rest of the stuff. I think it's going to complement it very nicely. I'm very happy with this. Not what I expected, but yeah, very, very happy with this. I think it's going to look really well as a contrast color.
How neat. We both got a black one.
Yeah. Just in case you missed it.
Very neat. Yours reminds me of the blue
Yeah, it does actually.
that look like that I said looks like rain or looks like when you're in a car wash.
Yeah, I was trying to think of which one that was, but yeah, that's the one that's coming to mind for me too. Um, so it is Friday the 23rd. I believe Becca's going live shortly, so always go hang out with her. She's always a hoot to hang out with. And then, if you don't mind, I'd like just to talk about my big project tomorrow morning.
I'd love for you to, please.
So, 8 o'clock tomorrow morning Eastern, which is 7 Central, 6 Mountain, 5 a.m. for all your early risers on the West Coast. If you're in Europe, it's like 2 p.m. and so forth. I have a quilt trunk show that's going to be a premiere. It's going to be about 2.5 hours long. So definitely bring your breakfast, your coffee, or several coffees along with you, because we have myself and 21 other content creators, including my good friend Martha. They're going to come. They have come on and shown us their favorite quilt and their stories. So it's going to be a wonderful event, an epic event, and I really think you guys don't want to miss it. So definitely come check it out with us in the morning. And if you can't, the replay's gonna be available. But yeah, it's gonna be such a hoot because we'll have the live chat. I'll be in the chat, and along with many of the others.
I can't wait to see that because I know that that's been a video of a labor of love for you. And you had so many content creators that were willing to, take a little bit of time and share their favorite quilt with you. And I think that's just awesome. What a
Yeah,
great collab and a great video idea. I thought that was perfect. So I'm looking forward to watching that tomorrow morning.
yeah, and I'm really happy to, and excited to let everyone else see. I mean, I've watched it over and over several times during editing, but yeah, now it's time for everyone else to get to see the whole thing, which I'm so excited about.
Don't you have another special, exciting news to share too?
I do.
You shared it last, was it last Saturday you shared it
Oh,
on the,
about the ambassador.
yeah.
My good friends at Cotton Cuts have asked me to be an ambassador for the upcoming Village Green, which is their new puzzle mystery quilt, which starts in February. And I'll be doing the lavender, which is a purple colorway. And so that's going to be a lot of fun. So, yeah, definitely join me along that journey. And if you'd like to be part of that, definitely head over to their Cotton Cut site and, get signed up, because some of the colorways have already started to sell out. So, still plenty to choose from, but I wouldn't hold off too long. Or if you get some Christmas money, it might be something to, good to treat yourself to.
Well, my bestest sister-in-law and my bestest sister-in-law and I have been working on the Piazza one together, and we've been having so much fun. And if you've never done one before, they really are a lot of fun, and they're easy to put together. The blocks just come together so well, and you can have it done within 45 minutes to an hour.
Mm,
Sometimes, depending on how intricate it is, it may be a little less than that. But for a beginner, or if you've been sewing a long time, it's really a nice treat to be able to get something in the mail every month and then put it together and see your block.
yeah. And the other nice thing about it too that I love and about it is that it's pre-cut. Like you just pull, the pieces are cut already. You just pull it out, sew it together, and then you're done. I mean, like you said, it's 45 minutes or so. I mean, I record each step, and even if like setting the camera up and everything else, it takes about maybe an hour. But setting up the camera and doing all the recording stuff takes a lot of time as well. So without that, 45 minutes tops would be what I would say. So it's neat.
Yeah, because we did a puzzle mystery quilt, or we had started it earlier this year, and the fabric did not come pre-cut. And that's a huge deal to have it pre-cut already. Such a
Yeah,
huge time saver. You're not having to stress over cutting your fabric. I love that.
yeah.
Well, Sean, happy
Friday.
Christmas Eve to you and to everyone, and happy Friday. So we will see you all tomorrow for the very last day of our unboxing collab for 2022. We will see you all then. Have a great night, everyone. See you on the Becca side. Bye.